Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can benchmark your own desktop for free with Userbenchmark. Also, how I was surprised with the results on my personal device. Let's get started. That's right, everyone. So today's gonna be pretty short of a video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to benchmark and how to download that software. Software is actually pretty light. No need to install. Download it. There's no registry keying needed. I think it doesn't add anything to registry. It doesn't have to install itself into program files. That's a cool thing. You could stick it on a USB and put it into a device without internet. All good, right? So you can use this software offline. Although it does show your results on a internet browser, that actually might need internet though, because it is accessing a URL which is not locally stored. So yes, you may be able to benchmark a desktop like that, but you're gonna have to copy down a link and open it on a different computer. If your device does have internet, ignore everything I just said and just follow my instructions. So firstly, you're gonna want to go to a link called userbenchmark.com. Get that link exactly like that and click free download. You can see there's a one right here. It's because I already downloaded this before, but I'm just re-downloading it for you guys so that you guys know exactly how to download this thing. Why is it okay? It's doing quick fires check. Whenever a circle is fully done and it's just waiting like that, it's actually doing a quick fires check like that. It's cool. We're just gonna click on it easy like that. And we're just gonna click yes. You guys may have not seen anything, but yeah. So it just says right here, you close that browser by the way. Welcome to Userbenchmark, and it sucks. If you have more options like this, you're probably gonna have options check or not, but these are forced right now. So let's just hit run. During this benchmark, my encoder is definitely gonna get overloaded. So yeah. And note to you guys, I actually did do this benchmark before, and yeah. What I like about this benchmark is that it's 100% free, totally free. You could, it's portable, lightweight too. Honestly, every other benchmark I found is for money or paid. That's pretty nice. I'm not sponsored by them anyway. I will never get sponsored. So it's just gonna run some stuff. Eventually it's gonna start running some animations for you guys so that it could test the graphics and graphics card. Right now I'm actually on a laptop, right? So there's no like graphics card, it's just graphics chip. So I'm gonna spoil it for you guys. This device does not go good for gaming. Although it is a Dell Latitude E5470. Oh, there you go. We have the animations running like that. See, it even shows the FPS there. So I have a Dell Latitude E5470, which is alright, but it's not dedicated for, gaming. Also, our encoder is overloaded. Sorry about that, guys. I expected that was actually gonna happen, because we're benchmarking. If you're ever benchmarking something, tip for you guys, always close every single program so you get the most accurate result you can. You can see we have some not the best FPS. Okay, for you guys it must be really glitchy. Yeah, sorry about that. And you can see it actually opens in default browser. Okay, then once it's done, you could close it. There you go. You could delete it. You could do anything you want. Honestly, you could delete it. Honestly, do whatever you want. You could do anything, honestly. So here you can see it gives a little information about our device. Like I said, we have here a Dell Latitude E5470, and that's the motherboard right there. Our display is right there. That's the built-in display. I'm actually using a separate display, which you guys are getting a video on. This is a Acer monitor. I don't know the exact model, but it does go 1920 1080p, so that's good. Now you can see it shows very high background CPU, 46%. This is because, like I said before, I'm recording, and that will not give you the most exact percentage. Oh my gosh. So that will not give you the most exact percentage. I actually got 4% for gaming, which also isn't the best, but you know, if you scroll down to other samples for this. Oh yeah, typical right here. See, it's 6%, guys. So, honestly, if you're building your own PC, you can't actually just go like this, because unless someone has like the exact same like build as you, but if you were gonna build your own PC, you're probably gonna get like gaming right here. Depending on your components, probably gonna be like 50%. I don't know, it's gonna be high, guys. So, and honestly, that's it. I was actually pretty surprised. I was expecting something higher than this, because, you know, I could play some video games pretty nice, actually. And honestly, that's it for this whole video. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have enjoyed this video and you guys want to see more like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the bell notifications icon. Also, don't forget to smash that like button, because it deserves to be like beat up. Come on, guys, just break your screens if you have to. Just smash that like button as hard as you guys can. That's all for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.